everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. It's wild, but the average person spends yearly 4 hours on the phone just setting up utilities when they move. 4 hours. If you are buried in packing tape right now, the absolute last thing you want to listen to is elevator hold music. So today, we're going to bypass that hold line entirely and figure out exactly how to start your electric service with Consumers Energy completely online. Let's walk through this step by step so you can check this massive chore off your list today. Are you ready to set up your electricity in just a few clicks? I know, a lot of people just assume they're doomed to wait on hold forever, but it turns out Consumers Energy actually provides a completely free, highly secure online platform. We can literally initiate your service in less time than it takes to unpack a single box of kitchen supplies. So, here's our quick roadmap for today. First, welcome to Easy Moves. Second, gathering your identity documents. Third, starting your electric service. Fourth, troubleshooting and avoiding scams. Fifth, smart tips for customers. And finally, number 6, final thoughts and disclaimer. All right, let's dive into part 1. Welcome to Easy Moves, the digital base camp. Okay, so I found this concept really helpful. Consumers Energy uses a tool called MIMO, which just stands for Move In, Move Out. And they designed this tool specifically so that absolute beginners can handle everything digitally over a highly secure, encrypted connection. Whether you need to request brand new service, transfer an existing account to a new address, or just stop service at your old place, this interface lets you skip the phone lines completely. You maintain total control over your move-in timeline. Moving right along to Section 2, gathering your identity documents, prepping your pack. Now, you might be wondering why they need to ask for your sensitive information before we even get started. Well, it turns out it's all because of FACTA, which is the Fair and Accurate Credit Transactions Act. It's actually a federal law, and Consumers Energy enforces strict identity verification just to comply with it. This is aimed specifically at preventing utility fraud and ultimately protecting your personal data from identity thieves. So, to breeze right through that secure identity check, you just need to grab a couple of physical things. First, you'll need your social security number. And second, you'll need either a valid driver's license number or a Michigan-issued photo ID number. Honestly, just have those physically sitting next to your keyboard right now, along with your exact new property address, and, hey, don't forget the unit or apartment number if you have one. Once you've got those, you are completely ready to initiate service. Let's get into the actual process. Section 3, starting your electric service, the ascent. The digital flow here is beautifully straightforward. First up, you'll navigate to the online MIMO tool on the Consumers Energy website. Next, you'll just enter that social security number and ID to validate your identity. Oh, and this is also where you'll create a secure online account with a strong password. Then, you'll schedule your start date. Quick tip here, rental experts from Avail highly recommend setting this up about 2 weeks prior to your actual move-in day. That gives you a nice little buffer so the lights are absolutely guaranteed to be on the second you walk through the door. Finally, just answer a few simple service questions to wrap it up and hit submit. That's it. All right, Section 4, troubleshooting and avoiding scams, overcoming obstacles. Okay, but what if you don't have a Michigan-issued ID? Or the system happens to flag your application for a manual review? Seriously, don't panic. There is an alternative path. If instant verification doesn't work out, you can simply fax notarized copies of alternative IDs, like a passport, a U.S. military ID, or an international driver's license, directly to their secure fax line at 877-635-9549. Or if you prefer, you can easily just take those physical documents directly into an authorized Consumers Energy payment office to get verified in person. And hey, while we're on the topic of troubleshooting, we definitely need to mention online safety. Always look for HTTPS and that little padlock icon in your browser. Scammers are getting pretty sneaky and sometimes create lookalike websites pretending to be your electric utility. So it's just a great habit to type the web address directly into your browser rather than clicking links in random texts or emails. And if anything ever looks suspicious or you just feel unsure, stop what you're doing and call Consumers Energy directly at 800-696-6552 to verify it's really them. Moving on to Section 5, smart tips for customers, reaching the summit. So once your account is active, one of the absolute smartest insider tips I can give you is to stay connected with mobile alerts. By downloading the Consumers Energy app, you can easily track your new service, securely view and pay your bills, and even monitor your energy use over time. Plus, let's face it, if the power ever does go out, you can report the outage and track the restoration progress right from the palm of your hand. But the perks really don't stop there. For instance, enrolling an eligible smart thermostat in their smart thermostat program can actually earn you a sign-up bonus and an annual incentive just for letting them make tiny temperature adjustments on peak summer days. Pretty cool, right? Also, if you drive an electric vehicle, the Power M Drive program unlocks fantastic EV rebates for overnight home charging. And for those of you passionate about sustainability, there are some great budget-friendly renewable energy solutions that make it super easy to support a cleaner Michigan. And finally, Section 6, Final Thoughts and Disclaimer, Safe Descent. Just a quick housekeeping note before we wrap up. While we've covered the most current procedures for starting your electric service online, utility requirements, contact numbers, and specific identity documents can and do change. So always make sure to check the official Consumers Energy website for the absolute latest policies and procedures regarding your account. Well, there you have it. You've bypassed the phone lines, securely verified your identity, and your new home is officially powered up and ready to go. So now that your power is on, what is the very first smart energy goal you're going to tackle in your new space? Are you getting that smart thermostat installed right away, or just trying to remember to turn off the lights when you leave a room? The switch is officially in your hands.